Hi everyone, this is Meredith Metzger and I'm a data journalist here at Emsi. Today I want to show you how to use some of our diversity data in College Analyst. Let's say you're looking to hire more veterans. We can use this report to show us which schools in the US currently enroll the most veterans. For reference, this report is largely built on IPEDS data that schools report to the government. So here we can see a list of the top schools. Unsurprisingly, we see several online programs and even Embry-Riddle, which is likely attracting former military pilots who want to transition to civilian airlines. We also have the option of narrowing the search down based on the type of institution. Here's another example. Let's say you're wanting to hire a diverse female computer science student. We can look at this same IPEDS data to find the top schools for computer science students. And narrow it down to female students only. And then order the list from most diverse students to least. And here we can see the top schools. So if you're looking to hire diverse female computer science students, MIT, UC Berkeley, UC San Diego, and Stanford would be 4 great places to start. And again, we have the option here of filtering out certain types of institutions. Data like this can help companies be more strategic and inclusive with their diversity hiring initiatives. For more information about Emsi and our data solutions for businesses, visit economicmodeling.com.